Hi guys, so today we are going to learn a very good concept in SQL which is very helpful for solving questions related to database related to various tables. So let's begin. So our topic is row number. So row number, if I'll tell the function, so it is row slash number. So this is the function. Okay. So I'm just highlighting this. So this is the function. But always remember this function cannot be used without over order by column and sending send. So whenever we are using this whenever we are using row number functioning, we cannot use this function without over clause. So we have to use the over, and we also do the order by the column name as well. So row number is a function which helps to give the numbering to the rows. So suppose we have a data where we have various rows, but we have to give the numbering to those rows to solve kind of different problem. So how we can give a by the help of row number, but row number also required a kind of column. So based on that we can give the numbering. So for that we use over clause as well as order by, and then the column name, and then ascending or descending. We can use ascending or descending, or we can also ignore that part. But always remember, if we are using row number, so we have to use over and order by column name. This is very essential, then only it will give the numbering to the rows based on that column, otherwise it will not work. So I'll just select one of the tables, select all from. So this is the table we have. Okay, so in this table we have country code Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, SRI. Okay, and we also have country name Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and we have kind of country score. This is only assumptions. This is not related to any other. These are all only the scorings just for the example purpose. So for code BNG, the score is 10. For IND, score is 20. For PAK, score is 20. And for SRI, the score is 30. So we need a kind of column which can give a numbering to this numbering, kind of 1 2 3 4. So for this we have to use row number. So select row. Yeah, so this is our formula. Row number over row number equal. Suppose I'll just give the column name. Okay, so this formula I have applied, and I need this as a row number. Row number. Okay, so I need like this, and then country code, and then country score. So these three things, these three columns I require. Let's see, I'll use, see error. What is the error? This is incorrect. So here you can see a red line, it is showing incorrect. So whenever we are using row number, we have to use over, and we also need to use order by, otherwise our function will not work. So whenever we are using function named row number, we also need to use over clause, and under over clause we also have to do order by. Now this will work. Okay, as we have taken two times, okay, let's see, it is working. So now we can see, so row number which is Bangladesh is BNG, it is 10. Okay, wait, I'll not use this. Hmm. So first country is Bangladesh, second country is India, and third country is Pakistan, and uh, fourth country is Sri Lanka. Okay, let's, we also add one of the data, insert, for just understanding purpose we will also add one of the rows so that you can easily understand. Insert into table name, country matches, column, country code, country name. Okay, now I'll just save this. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll select, I'll execute. Okay, so we have Bangladesh, China, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Okay, and we also have country name China and Sri Lanka. Okay, let's see what row numbering will come after we use row number. Okay, row number. So we have using row number. So these two bracket also we have to use because it's a function. Okay, so row number, what clause we have to use? Over. Now I have to use order by country square as row numbering Okay, all is okay. Okay, so somewhere we have done some mistake. As okay, we have to know this. Hmm. So now we can see. So we have got the row numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, we have not added anything. So we have not added any ascending or descending, but still we are getting the data in ascending. So as a default, it is taking ascending ascending based on country score. So if I'll have to change ascending, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I'll change this, see something will happen or not. Oh, great. We can see now whichever country is getting higher score is getting the first row rank, first row rank, row numbering. So that is why this is how this row number function sort the data based on a particular column. So this is how it works. Now what if the column is based on text, so it will sort the data based on texting. For example, we can also do this. Let's see, for country name, country code. Okay, sending. C, B will always come first, after C, after I, after P, after I. Because S is coming at the end, that is why it is first for row number. So this is how this works. Okay. Now if I change, now B is coming first, that is why it is getting first row. Okay. And if I'll not use this, what will happen? So as a default it is taking ascending. So this is how this important function works. This is a very important function, I would say. It's a very important function in most of the SQL questions, in interviews, in various database related problems. It will be the we can say an initiator. So always remember that this row number function always work with over clause. Not only with over clause, but also we need to give the order by statement with particular column which we are trying to shorting. Okay, which we are trying to short. So in a short manner, in a concise manner, what we can see, row number is a function which sort the data based on column. If the column is at is in a integer form, so it will sort the data based on integer value. If we are not using ascending or descending, it will take ascending as default. So if we want to sort the data, so if we want suppose if the score is 60 and if we want this row as a first row, so we need to use descending also. So we have to write that we need the data sorting from higher to lower. So we have to use descending it. So I'll just show country score descending. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So this country score is 60. So this got the first rank. So this is how row numbering works. Higher to lower if we want. So we need to use descending. If lower to higher we want, you need to use ascending. But if we by mistake we forgot, so SQL query will take ascending as default. I'll show this also. See. So whichever the country which is having lesser score will come first, and then second, third, fourth, five based on the score. And the country which is having higher score is coming at end. And I have not used any ascending, but still it is using ascending because it is default. So it is taking ascending as default. That's it. That is what a row number uh, function. There are other two functions as well, which is comes under Windows function. So the another function is dense rank, and third one is only rank. So for just a learning purpose, for just a small communication, dense rank is when the dense rank will come. So I'll just show you how dense rank works. Okay, so what dense rank does, dense rank uh, will not give another number to the rows which are having equal score. So see, India and Pakistan are having 2020, so that is why it is giving second rank only to these two country codes, because this score is coming after first row. So that is why this is how this is shorting the data. But as we can see, one, these two become two, then we are getting third, okay, and then we are getting fourth. So for example, in a class of student, if three students get uh, if there are four student and four student, and if two student got equal number, so suppose first student get 60, so he will be first student get 60 and the second and third student got 70. So first will come 60 and then 17, the people who have got 70 marks. So both these people will get second rank. But after these people, whoever will get the score like 80, he will get he will get third rank. But if I just use rank, so at that situation, that fourth guy will get a fourth rank, not third rank. So this is how dense rank and dense rank and uh, only rank. So what should I say? Dense rank is more precise. It keeps rows in a I would say in a lesser manner, in a tensile manner. But simple rank function do not do ranking based on tensile manner. It will give as many as number to the rows particularly. So that is for row number, dense rank, and simple rank function. But guys, only dense rank, only row number is very helpful function and it can solve various problems. So this is all about for row number functioning and dense rank as well as rank function only.